Hello all, let's discover how to add new pipeline in Togile. Click on Pipeline. Next, click on Add Pipeline to add a new pipeline. Click on Pipeline Name. Now type in the new pipeline name. Once that's done, click on Entity and select your category from the drop-down menu. Click on pencil icon to edit stage condition. Following that, fill out the parameters. Edit win probability %. You can change the win probability according to your preference. Click on Lost Reasons to add reasons a deal or a lead is lost. Type in your reason here. Next up, click on Add Reason to add a new lost reason. You can add more than one lost reasons for one particular pipeline. Once you're done, click on Save. You have now successfully created a new pipeline in Togile.